Good morning, everybody. Welcome to today's video. I figured I'd start the vlog off by showing me editing the week before vlog. Work's been so busy and I've been stressing to put out these videos beforehand, but this is where all the magic happens. Got me and my boys, they're all hanging out right there. Just took them for a walk. And yeah, some of the guys are coming over and I'm starting off my day with a bowl of instant noodles. That's how I afford car parts. I am the one, the way your son don't need a gun to... I can't believe this year I've almost posted 52 videos in a row. There's 52 weeks, right? Yeah. How many weeks in a year? 52 videos. And some weeks when it wasn't busy, I was posting 2 videos a week. So more than 52 videos in 2023. It's killing me, y'all. It's killing me. Oh, look who it is. It's been a while since anybody's been over my house. Got the Audi boys, got the GR boys. And we gotta move out Jimmy's Prius, because he's in Texas, out of my driveway so we can work on some cars.
Driving south sucks, man.
You said what?
I said driving south sucks.
You should just move down south, bro. Why you live so up north for?
Taxes, that's why.
He ain't lying.
Ooh. Good to see you're using your trickle charger. Not even using the trickle charger, you guys.
Hey, I plugged it. That's because I've been driving it.
Yeah, okay. Look how clean it is. It's been raining for 2 weeks. He hasn't been driving it. Yeah, if you went slower, you wouldn't have done that. NANI?!
I'm gonna trickle charge it tonight.
He wasn't using the trickle charger, you guys.
All right, for the first time ever, working on the GR86 in this channel. Wow, we're installing these seats. Thanks, Jimmy!
Such a good friend.
All right, Justin, tell us what we're installing today.
Infamous Aero plugged us up with some side skirts.
Wow.
Just a little plug for them. I mean, they do have some Supra goodies out there as well.
Yo, super goodies?
Super
How about Audi
goodies,
goodies?
No Audi. No JDM boys. Right now. They label everything as like indestructible. I mean, I daily this thing down to Seattle.
Oh, these look
70
indestructibles.
miles.
What the heck?
I don't know, guys.
Bonus glue.
How thick they are.
They're thick
So
boys.
his front lip is the same.
Oh
Yeah,
my.
same.
So like you can literally rub those on everything.
So you look at the front, I'm telling you, imagine that's
Oh, the
70
splitter.
miles.
I see.
Downtown
Damn, yeah, this could
Seattle.
take a beating right here. Wow. Dude, the GR86 looks so freaking good. We were telling the boys, if this came out the same time as the Supra, I might have ended up with the GR86. NTO3s, if you guys watch my YouTube, well, if you followed me way before, NTO3s was my first set of wheels I ever got for the Subaru. Damn, these are classics. What are you? Are you a fan with the wheels?
Yeah, I love them. They're amazing. I'm a secret JDM boy.
You recorded that, right?
Yeah, I did.
I'm a secret JDM boy.
These things are some thick boys, though. They're gonna take a beating. Does it line up?
Yeah, dude, it lines up perfect. Like literally,
Awesome.
if you look like the OEM, like the plastic here, and you look at these tabs that are on there,
Oh, I see.
it's literally perfect. Yeah.
Are you gonna put any 3M on it too? Or
Honestly, I don't. No,
No?
I don't think so.
Macho sniffing your butt while you're doing all this?
Good. Maybe I just ripped ass right in his face.
Damn, that already looks really good.
Kilo. So cute.
I know, my boy. Macho, what do you think of the side skirts? Yeah, me too. Dude, it looks so much better already.
Dude, the gap that's getting filled in back here. This is the gap.
What's up,
that's
Macho?
driving me crazy. Yeah. Oh yeah, dude, that's perfect in the back. That's like literally right to the fender.
Wow.
Yeah, I'm happy with it.
Infamous Aero.
Yeah.
So far, so good. All right, progress check. We're working on the other side.
The last 4 bolts.
Almost done.
The last 4 screws left.
Is it pretty easy to line up?
Oh, dude, piece of cake. It lines up literally like OEM.
The kit came with 12 self-tappers, no 3M needed, and it fits edge to edge. So good.
Yeah, the good rule of thumb, literally just for lining it up, was right where the paint started and ended. Like where the paint ends on the car, it's like right there. And then the same thing for the front too.
Look,
so it's super,
edge to edge.
Super easy to line up.
Wow. Justin was saying though, because initially I thought you should bolt in the front, bolt in the rear, but you should actually start from one end going all the way down in order, right?
Yeah, so then you kind of avoid if there's any like over screwing. And
yeah, and there,
just come
the
back
middle would warp up, but yeah, this is, wow.
Yeah, no, that's just like OEM plus, man. I like it.
Almost done.
I like it.
Dude, I want a GR86 so bad.
Do it.
This looks so good.
Hey, there's plenty of ones out there blowing motors. Auction. Get it.
That would be sick. Put a 1Jers.
That's your approach. Hey,
that is sick, actually. I just really like the body styling. Let it down, brother. Ah!
Dude, from the
Damn,
side
that looks pretty
profile,
good.
though. The side profile from back
Yeah, I
here.
like how it fills out the rear.
That's what I like. The rear and just the front by just a little bit. I'm here for it.
These things are thick.
Alright, Infamous Aero. Discount code 425.
425. 425 for 4.25% off.
No.
Or just 5% off. Alright, vlog. It's been hijacked. Got the sunset in the back. Took like 6 hours. No, I'm kidding. This was like a 2-hour install. Honestly, I'm very impressed with the quality. I mean, it's still up on the pads. And I've heard Vin's been hosed for those. Honestly, 10 for 10. Stand out for him. But, no, I mean, it's like literally super flush. They label it as like indestructible, like we said like 10 different times. Dying to see how it works. I mean, I daily this thing to Seattle like 70 miles just about every day, Monday through Friday. And like I got the front splitter up front here. Yeah, no, definitely looking forward to see how it holds up. I'll drop the discount code if you use 425 at checkout. It'll get you a little something something. They got some work going in for the Mark V Supras and GR86 obviously, and the BRZ and a bunch of other cars. Definitely check them out. That's Infamous Aero 425. And yeah, man. Thanks for letting me use your place, man. I'm here for it. We're here for it.
Yeah, baby.
Huh? What you think, Vin?
I like it. It's super subtle. I like that it's not just cheap plastic either that can break very easily. This thing is some thick polyurethane or whatever. This abs plastic. I don't fucking know.
I don't know. It's indestructible.
Indestructible Aero, baby. Gotta rename it. Side profile of GR86 fills in so much better. One of my gripes about this was how it curved in. You definitely need a side skirt for this car because this space was just empty. But if you see it now, oh man, it fills it in very well. But we're all done installing the side skirts. Time to eat some sushi. Let's go. Oh, I leave it on when it's dark. All right, we're gonna go ahead, go get some sushi. I'm trying some risky devil stuff right now, but we got the Pocket 3 on the side of the car. Hopefully it doesn't break. But let's roll. Give her a cold start. Just to show you guys a little bit of this, you literally control the gimbal from the phone. And if you want to track something, let's say that I want to track his rear tail, all you have to do is box the subject and you're fucking good. It tracks it so well. I don't know why people be hating on the Supra wing. This shit look good as fuck. Ooh. All right, I don't know if y'all can tell, but the side skirts that were just installed, holy crap, they add so much more. It's so subtle. That's freaking clean. Ooh. Oh, Audis and GRs.
Hey, you know what's funny? 2 Audis, a Subaru, and a BMW.
Damn! Why do they be hating so much on the BMW Supra, but they don't really call it a Subaru Toyota?
All I know is my man's goes to Subaru to get his oil filter.
I do.
You're lying. Oh my God.
Germany's finest.
No, sorry. That's Germany's finest right there. Nope. Mr. Duncan finally appears. Hey. Look who shows up, baby! Duncan.
Not an F&Q.
It's not.
Really?
Strawberry mango.
He hasn't been home for like a while, I feel like.
Bro, that looks fire.
Oreo. You already know.
I'm gonna need a bite of that.
Yeah, go for it.
That looks fire. And that Fruity Pebbles looks fire
Get some
too.
strawberries in there too or something?
The mango.
Oh, mango.
Mangoes can't never go wrong with mango.
Smells good.
All right, boys. Thanks for hanging today.
Yep.
Dungus, thanks for coming through, babies. The feature. All right, Brett. Peace out, brother.
Peace.
All right, y'all. Thanks for watching today's vlog. Peace out.
Such a big difference.